Hey, how's it going? This is Dana from Jimenez Car. Today we are working on this Volkswagen Jetta. It's a 2020 model, and basically what it's in for is for a radiator replacement. The factory unit that's in this vehicle is having issues right now, which is the constant boot loop, which is right there. So that's the issue that we're having with this unit right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace it with an aftermarket stereo. We're going to put a Sony doubled in, that's a 7-inch screen that will retain all the factory features. Once we're done with the process, we'll record a quick video and give you guys a demo of it. So we're finalizing on the install on the Volkswagen Jetta. So as far as the unit, we went with a Sony XAV-AX4000. And then we did a replacement kit, so that way it retrofits in here nicely. So right there is the new unit. And then also, we weren't able to find a suitable USB retention harness, at least for the ones that are right there. So we ended up taking away the cigarette lighter, this is the factory one. So we ended up using this, which is a charger on the top, which is a Type-C, and then a regular USB on the bottom, just so that way they can have the USB and the charging capabilities as the ones had on that port over there. Right there's the unit. Steering controls still retain. None of that gets lost. Backup camera still gets retained as well. Right there's the camera, and all set with this vehicle. This is a really nice unit. Gives it like a nice clean record compared to the factory one. Slightly larger size screen because this did came equipped with a 6-inch screen. And then this is the unit right here, which is Sony. This is the end product, and this is how it looks as a final install. Something nice and clean, nice and simple, nothing too crazy, nothing too overdone. It does take time to get everything installed, but the finished product ends up looking a whole lot better. If you want to get your vehicle done here, we are here at Jimenez Car. Our address is 503 East Central Avenue in the city of Rayford. Our phone number is 910-720-0453. Let us know for your vehicle needs, and we're here happy to assist.